Hi friends, today I am going to discuss question answer of the chapter Human Geography, Nature and Scope. It is the chapter number 1 of Geography book of class 12. So let us start. First question. What do you mean by human geography? Answer. Human geography is defined as the relationship between physical and human world, spatial distribution of human phenomena, how they come about, social and economical difference between different part of world. Next question. Name some field of human geography. Answer. Name of some field of human geography are population geography, social geography, settlement geography, political geography, economical geography, and urban geography. Next question. How is human geography linked with other social science? Answer. Human geography tries to explain the relationship between all elements of human life and the space they occur over. It develops close interface with sister discipline in social science in order to understand and explain the human elements on the surface of Earth. Next question. Write result definition about human geography. Answer. According to Ratzel, human geography is synthetic study of relationship between human society and the earth surface. Next question. Explain the concept of neo-determinism of Griffith. Answer. Neo-determinism is defined by Griffith Taylor, which emphasis on middle path or madhyam marg between two ends of the environment determinism and possibilism. He described his concept on the basis of traffic signal light. Red light means to stop. Amber light means to get set. And green light means to go. Next question. Explain the concept of possibilism. Answer. Concept of possibilism state that there are no necessities but possibilities everywhere. Man is refer to the master of these possibilities. He is not influenced by constraints imposed by the environment. Then he adopt, adjust and modify himself according to these constraints. His imprints could be seen everywhere, such as agricultural field, rolling hills, etc. Next question. Explain how human geography pass through the corridor of time. Answer. Human being interact with the environment, to adopt it, to adjust it, and even modify it. Human geography begins with the appearance of human on the surface of Earth. Before 15th century, interaction between various societies was less, as navigation skills were not developed. Sea voyage was dangerous. Only few travelers used to spread information about their region. Next question. Explain the concept of environmental determinism. Answer. Concept of environmental determinism state that human beings are passive agent. Man is influenced by environmental factor such as physical factor like like climate, flora, etc. For example, Eskimo of tundra, they live in cold area. Their main food is whale, seal, walrus. They use animal oil for cooking, heating, and lightning. They live in igloos. Next question. What is welfare? School of thought. Answer. Human geography was concerned with all aspects of social well-being of the people. These include aspects such as housing, health, education, etc. Next question. What is radical school of thought? Answer. It employed Marxian theory to explain the basic cause of poverty, deprivation, and social inequality. Contemporary social problems were related to the development of capitalism. Next question. What is behavioral school of thought? Answer. It laid great emphasis on lived experience and also on perception of space by social category based on ethnicity, race, and religion. Next question. Human and nature are inseparable elements. Explain. Answer. Man and nature are inseparable elements. Man has created socio-cultural environment within physical environment by creating roadways and railways to pass, go through, or connect different landscapes. For example, rivers are used as natural waterways. Both physical and human phenomena are described as metaphor by using symbols from human anatomy such as face of earth, eyes of storm, nose of glacier, mouth of river, neck of isthmus, and profile of soil. Man has described village, town, state, or country as organism and the network of roadways and railways as arteries of circulation. Therefore, man and nature are intricately intertwined.